So I'm creating for your Twitter account. How we can adding by your website? This is only for WordPress. Just I'm copy the URL. First option we can select by your dashboard. Option call is appearance. In this option call is widgets. First of all, your total WordPress. These are your positions. These are your options. Total WordPress option and your position. In this, select your option, which I'm selecting for Twitter. Which one? Twitter timeline. So what is your position? Full width footer. Select your add widget. Come into this. What is it asking for? Maximum width, your wish. How much? 222 up to 200. So I'm giving away 500. I already decide on tweets showing for. I'm sure display only for 2 tweets. What is your Twitter username? Copy the username. I'm not copy the total URL. Just I'm copy the username. And what are the options are required? No header, no footer, no border, no scroll box, and a transparent background. So finally, save. Click for done. Now you can check your website. Refresh. Done. Follow me on the Twitter. So finally, when click the go into your Twitter profile. This is mean by your website. We can redirect traffic for where? Social media to increase your likes and followers. So what are the requirements are you can do it for particular site. Same option. You can go for in-depth appearance. Click for customize. In this, select by widgets and select your position. Both are same. This will be going to where first you can select by position, after select by the option. But in the date option is called position and the option will be side by side. In this select by footer one, add a widget. What the option call is? Twitter timeline. So you have to check all the options. So select it, add your all details, same as it is. So come and compare with the both option, date, WordPress dashboard, appearance, select your widgets, add your option and select your position. So I'm deleting this option. I'll click for publish. Finally, my icons will showing for this is a Facebook. This will be Twitter. How many posting are display? Only for 2 posting. If you are after edit, increase your post also. How? Go back. I'm showing only for 2 posts. Your latest 2 posts. I'll increase. Go to appearance, widget. So where I'm adding position? Twitter. How many posts I'll show here? Go for 4. Save. Save is mandatory. After click for done is mandatory. Now I can refresh. Previous only showing for 2 posts. I can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what are the requirement? You can add it and implement by your increase your website traffic and increase your Twitter followers. This is a very important for adding by particular website, adding by Twitter options. Note down.